Fed some push ya.
No ramp with me, you know.
Trevor, hold on there, pull over.
I'm going.
Come in line.
Oh, I know.
The construction are going over there, sir?
Yeah, it looks so.
So, you never see that?
Oh, you mean, me never see that?
You never in a construction, so I think everybody in a construction have the ID.
I must have thrown my eye upon you today. Yeah, my construction site today.
I say yes, I'm tough. Black and cement.
Camille, you feel have a little sense of you, man? Jeez, but I wonder if they're ready for sell them unit yet.
At this, if you invest in it, no, see you can make money off of one of them house, yeah.
It's a good idea, I know. But what happened to the place around, so?
I don't like it, Jungle Jesus. You know, see a was mansion that.
Alright. I can see if I can get a link to whosoever run over here, so. See if I can roll off one of them.
So what? You link na Mr. Wallace?
You know if I'm run over there?
No. But him no must know everybody where they in the business.
You know, come to think of it. From the day I call him, you know. I'm not get him, you know.
He must have still in a hiding.
Hey, the man they know what them are doing, you know. So when them know if they lay low, them will lay low.
You know what more you do? More you own something, we are fully yours.
Then that's why we want to get round this, so.
Trevor, stop announcing your around this, no? It not happen.
Alright, Camille. Alright. What me I go do? Me I see if I can hold off two of them, yeah. And see if I can turn it, you see it. But me not give up Caldo tours, you know.
I don't tell you to give up Caldo tours. But remember, you not own it wholly and solely. When you invest in them house, yeah, I said that.
Hey, Camille. I like how you talk, you know. Not even like, I love how you talk. So I say, because see if me did have you in my life when I did younger. Me da be a man of wealth.
So 12 years ago, you never did younger. Your daughter 12, you know, Trevor?
No man. Me I talk about like in my 20s. 25 thereabout. Yeah.
But Trevor, you never ready for settle down them time there. Cause when we meet you, you run up and down like a wild goose, headless chicken.
I come in and I say lose my head, you know. It's just like when money dropping in your lap too early at certain age. It's like you just want to impress some girls and, you know, go all bloat and flirt and, you know, go all a party, buy his whole heap of liquor and just have fun. I just that, me I look towards them time there. Me ain't think about no.
Yeah, but look where you get you. 7 baby mother, and I'll know, Trevor, you not have a solid business for yourself. That's why I tell you to invest.
Hear you loud and clear. That's why I say right now, I'm trying to settle down and do the right thing.
The right thing?
Yeah. Come here. That's right now. You see, when man and man grow and you not get to do certain things the right way with the woman who you love. You know, sometimes you have to just look back in your life and just do the right thing. I just want to put everything else behind me and take the chance.
Take the chance and do what, Trevor?
And just take the chance and Camille.
Yes, Trevor.
You not think a time we This is Mr. Sullivan. What happened to him? Okay. Alright. I'll come as soon as I can. Okay.
Oh, what happened?
Them someone for come up at the hospital. This in regards to my son.
Is what happened, Trevor? Him get worse?
No, them not tell me. And yo, yet when doctor call you and tell you them thing, you know, I could all. Yo.
Trevor, calm down. Hear what? Just drop me off and go on up there.
Sure. Alright. Cool.
Everything